fashionable restaurant in St. Petersburg, 1,000 visitors a day and 24 chefs in the kitchen. By the evening, the tablecloths and jackets are covered in pretty much everything imaginable: salad dressing, ketchup, mayonnaise, ice cream, etc. Cleaning them is a daily expense. Chefs' jackets are replaced every 3 months, and the cost of each uniform is 3,000 rubles. We're taking everything to the laundrette. We're going to conduct the ultimate test of a new professional detergent, which has been developed to help business better tackle dirt. We have here a little present kindly provided by the restaurant, several uniforms and tablecloths, and they've even thrown in a few surprises in the form of egg stains. Intimidated?
It looks like they've made a special effort, but I don't feel too daunted. After all, our product, Wellery Intensive, is so named for a reason. It has been specially developed to fight tough stains. Our formula for this product is made up of 20 components, each of which performs an important role.
New Chemical Technologies is a Russian company producing washing up liquids, laundry detergents and fabric softeners. Regular customers have already been able to evaluate the effectiveness and safety of their products. Now the company has released a product for professional use. So now I'm using a professional magnifying glass to assess the results. Visually, it looks excellent. How is this achieved?
Our product, Intensive White, uses surfactants, enzymes and optical brighteners. An optical brightener creates a whitening effect.
Wellery Intensive Color contains a composite to preserve the color in fabrics, consisting of a cellulase and a small quantity of optical brightener. It is these components which protect the color and renew the surface of the fabric. Wellery Intensive White, on the other hand, contains a higher quantity of optical brightener in order to create its whitening effect. A number of carefully selected types of surfactants have gone into NCT's formula. These act to destroy the links binding dirt to fibers. Then it is the turn of the enzymes, a group of components which eliminate specific types of dirt. This targeted battle, preservation of color and enhancement of brightness together result in a top-quality wash every time. Do you really need a different enzyme for each stain?
Not for each stain. Different groups of stains share a common foundation. For example, protease fights protein-based dirt, meat, let's say. Amylase fights starch. By using more enzymes, we can remove a wide range of stains.
For color products, the company even includes cellulase, which removes pilling and rejuvenates the color. For each type of fabric and category of dirt, NCT has selected the perfect formula, whether for whites, colors or dark materials, wool or silk. I'd like to up the stakes a little. What about overalls worn by car mechanics? They got very dirty and quickly. The first wash may not only remove the dirt, but the color as well.
My detergents are excellent at handling this kind of task. That's because they contain inhibitors to preserve the color. During each wash, they cover the color, like a lid.
Workers' overalls always present a challenge when it comes to washing. Engine oil, coolant fluid, these are really tough stains. This service centre prizes its reputation. In order to maintain a presentable appearance, it has to completely replace its workers' overalls every 6 months. Intensive Colour guarantees that the colour, and indeed the overalls themselves, last far longer. So we've got some overalls here. There are about 5 kilograms here.
Right, so if you were to wash this amount with regular washing powder, you'd have to use about 150 grams. In contrast, just 50 millimeters of our product is required.
What's the difference between a gel detergent and washing powder?
Gels are more concentrated. Dry washing powders contain so-called fillers, which increase the volume of the product but have no effect whatsoever on its cleaning properties.
In any case, I'll wash one item separately in order to compare your gel to regular powder.
We have conducted a far-reaching study in order to dispel the myth of washing powder.
New Chemical Technologies compared its gel with the most popular washing powders on the market. In small volumes and in regular washing machines, Wellery detergents didn't just fare strongly, they proved to be both more economical and effective. The same was true when applied to commercial loads, for example at gyms and restaurants. Remember, this was a difficult test. Even so, you can see the result. The overalls washed with the gel don't just look different, they feel different.
Absolutely. There are a few embedded stains, which are technical fluids. Naturally, after a few washes, they become lodged in the fabric and cannot be removed at all. That said, we can see what has been removed. Also, the colour has become brighter, which is good to see.
It's more intense.
That's right.
And here we have a special treat from a nursery school. One of the girls has painted a flower, while a boy has kindly painted a shirt for us.
And he's done a good job. Looks like he made use of all the colours.
Do you have a professional product for children's clothes?
Yes, we do. Wellery Soft Baby.
Children's detergents occupy a special category. They must meet strict requirements, but at the same time be able to cope with the trials that little ones can put their clothes through. Consequently, they don't contain enzymes, which are potential allergens, and require a greater quantity of high-quality surfactants. Here they account for up to 15% and handle every task, no matter how demanding. Children's detergents must also wash out of the fabric completely. Wellery Soft Baby has passed every toxicity test and without affecting the colour of the garments.
Right now we're measuring the pH level of Wellery Delicate. It's 7.7. This means it's a low alkaline product. Intensive has a level of 8.5 to 9.
So consumers can choose the best product for them based on the pH level.
That's right. For light washes, you can use Delicate, while for heavier stains, you should use Intensive. For more serious dirt, for example, the type encountered at car service stations and so on, I would recommend using a more professional product containing acids and alkalis.
So we've conducted 3 practical tests. New Chemical Technologies professional detergents have proved their ability to handle dirt and beat the competition. The cost of each wash works out the same or cheaper. These products also provide big savings in other ways. Shirts, uniforms and overalls all last much longer, which means consumers spend less. In addition, this new Russian manufacturer offers a range of 7 scented fabric softeners, as well as a dye and perfume-free option. The company also offers a professional range of washing up liquids, Palmia. A Palmia product for dishwashers is in the pipeline too. Company specialists are also on hand to help you make the best choice for you.